have to donate my hair and do my bath, right?
Well, we have to take some pictures of his hair. Okay, let's stand not near the... Stand over there. Okay. Okay.
Hello, my name is Amalia, and I'm going to donate my hair at Lots of Love. And look at my hair. I'm going to take one piece out, and you're going to see how long when I push it down, and then you're going to see how long it is.
Let's see. Turn around and show. I can't see it from the front. Oh, there you go. Whoa! Well done. It's very long.
Isn't my hair so long? I'm going to
so...
donate my hair right here.
You're going to get it cut that short?
Yeah.
Yep. And what are we going to do with the hair?
Donate the hair. Lots of love.
What are they going to do with the hair?
They're going to give it to the sick people.
Children, right?
And you shouldn't worry about it.
Okay. You're going to look beautiful.
You don't have to know that they're going to, even if you, even if you don't know that, you could even remember.
Remember what?
That they are going to give it to the sick people.
Oh, okay. Okay, now I'm going to take some pictures, so we'll have some pictures for our picture album.
Wait.
What?
I'm going to take something.
What?
Just for the picture.
What?
My glasses.
Okay.
Remember?
Do it again. Let's see your hair. Right before you cut it, let's see your hair. Oh. Okay.
Long.
Very long.
Nice warm water.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I like it.
Kayla, get your hand out of there,
Kayla.
please.
Let me take a picture.
Oh, okay. Very long.
This one? We'll do this one, okay?
Left.
Left? Okay. Here we go.
Left.
Okay, Molly, you ready?
Here we go. You ready?
Ready? Do you take a picture first?
Yeah, hold on. Here goes Molly. Oh, it's
Oh, you're so cute.
Let's see.
Oh my God.
Oh. Let's see the hair. Wow, it's long. Oh, there goes the other one. Oh, two. Let's see. Wow. Oh, you look adorable. Let's see. Look up. Look in the mirror. Wow. Great. Molly, we're so proud of you.
Okay.
Try that again. Okay, you like it? Okay.
Almost.
Almost. We're going to all back out of the way again because we still have so much to do.
Make it soft down the end.
Okay, thank you.
Since we blew dry the picture.
I'm going to get a picture.
How does it feel?
Can I keep some of my
How does it feel, Molly?
Oh, it didn't.
It feels good?
Wait, sit down for one more second. I want to get a
I love
picture.
it in Molly's hair.
Hmm?
Mommy, Daddy, close it up. You gotta shut it.
You look great, Molly. You look adorable. I love it. And look, you got balloons.
No, I said them.
You want to take a picture?